In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can return your SHEIN order. Okay, for the first step, it is important from which land you have ordered your package. Okay, if you are from the USA, you have to go on return policy, and here we have USA, and then we have return requirements for the items you have ordered. Okay, and then here quality check for returns, and here return request process. Okay, for the first step, you have to sign in to your user account, go on my orders, and then you have to follow the steps. Okay, and then printer required, you can send it back with a QR code if you want to, and here are the return steps you have to do. Okay, if I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.